When I first started using Blender, I found the UV tools lackluster. The packing algorithm was very basic, straightening UV islands was laborious, the workflow was inefficient, and the tools were rudimentary. Paid add-ons or third-party apps were a necessity. But that has all changed. In the last 2 releases of Blender, major improvements have been made to the workflow and the toolset. It's now easier to work in the UV editor, and both the unwrap and packing algorithms have seen significant improvements. And added to that is Mio 3 UV, a free open source add-on available directly within Blender that provides a full suite of production-ready professional tools. It's a total game changer. At the click of a button, you can now straighten any UV island, no matter the topology. This allows you to flow textures correctly across any geometry, no matter how complex. So if you want to work more effectively and eliminate unnecessary third-party tools from your pipeline, join me in hard surface UV mapping in Blender and prepare to be surprised.